Hello friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we will gonna see how to enable or disable two-factor authentication in SeekaHost Business Email. This video is available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to the settings of the video, click audio track. Now you can change your preferred language. Let's jump into the video. Open the browser and type mail.hostedmail.com. This is the secure version to log in SeekaHost Business Email. We'll drop the same URL video description. You can use it. In the email field, enter your email account and password. Enter the email account password. Click login option. It will navigate to your webmail account. Now we can see how to enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator app. Left hand side, click setting option. On the setting menu, click on password option. You will see two options, change password and two-factor authentication. Click on two-factor authentication. Click the first option, enable with Google Authenticator. Enter your mail account password and click submit option. Here you will see QR code bar. You can scan the QR code using Authenticator or Google Authenticator app. It's going to scan the QR code using Chrome extension Google Authenticator. When it is done, it will show the added message. Same with extension, copy the code and paste it there and click save option. Once you have set up the two-factor authentication, it will log out your mail account and again ask your username or password. Click login. Here it will ask you to enter the two-factor authentication code. Click the Authenticator app and paste the code. Here I am going to see the Authenticator app and copy pasting the code here and click login option. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to log in your mail account. Now you can see how to enable two-factor authentication using SMS method. Go to the same settings as we have seen in the previous method. Click enable with SMS method. In confirm password, enter your mail account password. In mobile section, enter your country code number and enter your mobile number without giving any space. Please cross check whether you have entered the right country code number along with the phone number. Check is there any space in between before and after it. Once it is confirmed, click submit option. You will receive the two-factor code on your mobile number. Enter the code in verification token and click save option. This method you can set up the two-factor authentication using SMS method option. Now we can see how to disable two-factor authentication. Click on setting option, click password and on the password choose two-factor authentication. Here click the disable option. It will again ask you to enter your mail account password. Once you have entered, click submit option. At the final step, it will again ask you to enter your two-factor code. Enter the two-factor code and click submit option. This video, I hope you have learned how to enable or disable two-factor authentication in SeekaHost Business Mail. If this video helps you, please like, comment and don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.